Congratulations to you in advance. Right now, your JAMB result is ready. Your 2025 JAMB result has finally been released. And let's look at the simple ways you can check on your results. One of the things that JAMB did is that they made it very, very, very easy for you to check your result. If you suffered to write your exam, register your exam, you should not suffer again in checking your results. So it's pretty simple, and I'm going to use this very short video to tell you the simple two methods you can use. Number one is the method that is very simple. You can get your JAMB result through SMS, and there's a second method. You can also check it online. The online method is important because it is from that online method that you can print out your results that you can now use to process your admission, right? But pending when you go to print it out, you can at least see your result right now, immediately as I'm talking to you, by simply opening your SMS app. This should be the quickest way. Open your SMS app. That's your message app, not Messenger, not Facebook Messenger. Your message app, like you want to send a message to somebody, a text message to somebody. This is the quickest method you can use to check your result without having to use the internet or any accredited CBT. This one you don't need to consult anybody. Once you have your phone, your SIM card with you, you are good to go. But you have to use the online method if you wish to print out your result. Are you getting me? Okay, so it's simple. It's very simple. And by the way, before you even begin to check, please, I want to congratulate you ahead of time. You will pass your JAMB. Your JAMB result will not be a disappointment. I want you to type "I claim it" in the comment section. You will not be disappointed in this JAMB. Can somebody type "I claim it"? This JAMB will make you smile. All your efforts will not be in vain. Back to how to check your results. When you open your message app, type in capital letters UTME results. UTME RE. I'm sure you can see it. UTME RESULT. When you type it in capital letter without giving any gap, send it to 55019. Just type UTME result, send it to 55019. There are things you need to be sure of if you are checking your result with this method, and that is for you to just ensure you use the same phone number you use to register your JAMB. That same phone number you use in registering your JAMB is the one you cannot use a different phone number. You cannot use your second phone number. You cannot use your mom's or your dad's or your younger sister's phone. It must be that particular phone number, because JAMB and your future institution identifies you with that particular phone number. Okay, you will receive an SMS. Once you send it correctly, you will receive an SMS from JAMB. If your result has already been released, they release in batches, but if your own has already been released, you will receive your result, your SMS result, within a few moments, within a few seconds. Your result will be on your phone. This method, they will charge you. JAMB will charge you 50 naira, or the network providers will charge you 50 naira. Once you send it, they will charge you 50 naira. They will deduct it from the airtime you have on your phone. So it means you need to be sure that you have airtime on your phone. The second method, I hope you learned this one very well. UTME result to 55019. Very simple. The second method is for you to go ahead to, if you want to print out or if you want to see it online, your results online, that will also carry your passport, all your details, your subject, everything. That is the rare one that we use to process your admission. Candidate must have specific details already. Those details like your JAMB reg number. Have you forgotten your JAMB reg number, or did you misplace it? You have to have your JAMB reg number. You have to have your email address. If you have misplaced it, let me know. Your email address, very important. Then you have to know your password. That password you use in registering your JAMB is very, very, very crucial, okay? And password used during the UTME registration process. That is extremely very, very important. Okay, if you have these things down, remember to print your results is not free. You need to pay a certain amount, 500 naira. That is why if you can't print at home, you don't have the system, just go to a cyber cafe. They will include this payment in the money they will charge you, and you just give them your details and they will print. Now, but for you to also see, you can view it before you go to printing. You can view it, you don't need to pay for viewing, okay? You can also view it, screenshot it. That one is very, very free. Visit this link on the screen, https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng, https://efacility.jamb.gov.ng, right? Just go to your browser, type on it, and it should be on your phone. Once it opens, you put in your details. Those details I talked about, right? And what are the details? Input your email address. There will be you just see all those things on the screen. Just put in your email address, put in your password, right? Those things I talked about. Put in your email address, put in your password. Then once you put in your email address and your password, you will get straight into the dashboard, the JAMB dashboard. And once you are in the JAMB dashboard, you will see check your results. So you click on it and check your result. Or if you want to print it out, you now click print result slip, and you just go. Everything is there on the screen. All the sections, you just see it. Once you type this link, if you need me to send you this link privately so that you can just click on it and get onto the website, you let me know. But for now, just you can write it out. I've done a lot of videos on this explaining this. I'm doing it again because many of you have not seen the previous video. That's why I keep giving you guys this video. So just copy out this link, type it out, log in, follow the process. You can check, view your result. You'll be able to view the result. Then if you want to print your slip, there is also an option for that. You just go ahead and do it immediately. Select your exam year, put in all your details. It's made easy. JAMB made it very, very easy for you. Then input your phone number, then click print result slip. Once you follow this prompt, within a few minutes, in fact, once your result is released, within a few moments, your result will be on your screen. Then if you want to screenshot it, you can screenshot. If you want to print it, you can print. Anything you want to do with it, you can do. But these are the methods. I've just given you the SMS method. If you have confusion in any of it, let me know. Remember, I told you to claim in the comment section that your JAMB result will be the best for you. So type I claim it in the comment section, okay? Then your website, I've shown you how to do that. There's no panicking. Your result will be there. Once you check, let me know what your score is. Once you check in the comment section, come under and tell us your score. If you're also having issues with your checking, also let me know immediately so that together we can begin to handle it right now. Remember to like this video right now, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're having issues, go ahead and become a member of our YouTube channel by clicking on join and join us right now. I'll be dropping videos that will now help you to process your post-UTME and also to gain admission this year. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch immediately.